Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Growing with the Gold. Thank you for checking in on our gardens here in beautiful sunny Blue Lake, California. Today, we're going to be doing a little bit of re-amending on our corn. Corn is such a high nitrogen feeder. It wants a ton of food. You almost can't overdo it, especially with organics. So that leads me to playing with some of our brand new and super exciting research and development. So we're always playing with different things here at Royal Gold, trying different combinations of different amendments to get the results we're after. So we've got a high nitrogen blend in the works, and we're going to play with that with this corn. It's perfect application to give it that little extra boost of N, encourage that tall vertical growth, nice lush green leaves to help get us that corn we're looking for at the end of the season. So we're going to treat this like we would any of our crown jewels fertilizers. We generally engineer them to have a similar application rate. I'm going to do about a cup and a half down between each row of these, scratch it in really nicely, and we'll see what sort of results we can get out of this brand new high nitrogen fertilizer. So as always, we've got our fertilizer scratched in really well so it can incorporate into that root zone nicely. We're going to get this watered in and see what this brand new experimental high nitrogen fertilizer from Royal Gold does for our corn. Thanks for checking in on another Growing with the Gold to see why Royal Gold is the gold standard in gardening, and we'll see you next time.